I regret not writing this book years ago. I could have saved so many people time and money. I wish I had a book like this when I started on Amazon. Hello, my name is Rob Cosman, and I've been selling on Amazon for over 10 years now. I've been helping Amazon sellers with their accounting and coaching for over half that time. And for the last 5 years, I've been doing it all remotely while living in Costa Rica with my family. I've been on various Facebook groups over the years, kicked out of a few, and finally created my own group, Selling for the Beach. I post YouTube videos and coaching, and I talk to sellers all the time. A week doesn't go by that sellers are asking questions, and often the same ones over and over. Stuff that I figured out over the years, but can be pretty unknown if you're new to selling on Amazon. While I try to answer what I can, and other good-natured sellers do too, it can just be never-ending. There's always a common answer. You don't need a course, everything is on YouTube. Do you want to spend hours on YouTube trying to find good videos and listening to like and subscribe time and time again? People endlessly talking about mindset and what FBA stands for. Any experienced seller knows how not helpful Amazon support can be, and trying to navigate some of their help documents can be an absolute pain. So I finally said, I'm going to put fingers to the keyboard, and I got started. It won't be easy, but if I put the hours in to do it, I know I can help. I was going to write a book that would walk you through the Amazon world, getting you started. I finally did it, but I wanted to make sure there was more than the basics. I wanted to make sure it would actually help people solve problems and answer their questions. Not another mindset or fluff book, glossing over the details, all high level, but real direction and advice. I wanted to write a book that would cover the basics, but then also show you how to get your business organized correctly from the start. Avoid the mistakes I've seen too many people with sales taxes. Getting denied right away because you're changing your documents. Making sure you understand the costs of selling so you don't end up selling at a loss. But then I wanted to make sure it took you farther, to show you how to find good products so you can flip, how to evaluate good ones, and finally how to outsource and scale up so you can do it anywhere in the world. And that's what I wrote. In 100 pages, I put together an easy-to-read, straightforward, information-packed book. Something that you can read in a few hours, follow along, and execute. Also, it's a physical book that'll sit on your nightstand, remind you of your goals, and actually follow through. If I can show you how to buy items to flip on Amazon for a profit, is that worth the cost of 1 month Netflix subscription? I just wish I made this earlier. Seeing people every week make mistakes that could have been avoided and saved so much time and money. I wrote the book I wish I had when I started selling on Amazon. So did I write it just to be a good guy? No, I have selfish reasons too. First, I do taxes for Canadian Amazon sellers. If you make money selling on Amazon, I help you prepare taxes. If you stay profitable, you stay in business year after year. Sellers who lose money don't usually come back. Secondly, I want to make sure you actually read it and implement it. Start to execute. Make a few dollars. Follow the advice. Realize what making a few extra dollars a month can do to your life. Realize the potential that starting this business can unlock. See that you can start with very small, very little risk. Try it out. Then, if my book helps you get some success, maybe you start to trust me. Then you want to grow larger, faster. Then maybe you sign up for my OA Masterclass course. In that course, I have hours of detailed training, not to mention I'm posting leads of items to flip right away. Basically, I'm spoon feeding you stuff to buy and profit. So if you're always thinking about starting a business, maybe making some extra money on the side, then pick up a copy. What online arbitrage and selling on Amazon has unlocked for our family is awesome. And while not everyone wants to move to the beach, that's okay. Whatever your beach is or your goal is, I know that following this business model can help get you there. There are millions of products you can buy and flip, almost endless. So what's to stop you from getting started? No more excuses. Let's get started.